I would like to start off by sharing with you our motivation behind Deep Learning Track and how it is linked to our teaching methodology. Firstly, our faculty members are all current practitioners of data science, working in the industry and hiring for our teams, and we feel there is a gap between theory, what is being taught in data science, and practice, what is actually required and relevant in the industry in terms of talent pool. Hence, our course and teaching methodology is based on experiential learning through hands-on sessions and assignments. Plus, there will be a lot of focus on domain applications using real-life data sets solving real-world problems. Secondly, we want to simplify the learning process by providing intuitive understanding of algorithms through Excel demos, helping you to apply the right algorithm for a given business problem. And lastly, we want to quicken the pace of learning. The course is of short duration, designed to be very comprehensive with a lot of focus on industry applications and is meant to be highly relevant with a machine learning track using Python programming. The objective here is to equip you with the most relevant tools and knowledge to get you started from day one. Now this brings up us to the question, why deep learning track? Why as a student you should consider deep learning track, and what really differentiates us from all the online courses and other courses which are available out there? The first key reason, our experience. Our faculty has a combined experience of 45 plus years in data science. So you will be taught by a group of highly experienced data scientists. Being practicing data scientists working in the industry and hirers of data science professionals for our teams, we understand what is expected in a job interview, what is expected from a data scientist in a job on a day-to-day basis, and thus are most suitable to guide you on the same. In addition, some of our faculty also has past experience as data science trainers. Our second point of differentiation is our absolute and total focus on the real world. Our course curriculum has been designed to strike the right balance between technical and domain applications. We will have in our course extensive focus on real-world data sets taken from different industries with real business problems to solve. We also have guest lectures from industry data science experts sharing their industry experience. And for those of you who are interested, we will also have a module on how to prepare for a data scientist role in the industry, focusing more on how to clear data science job interviews. And lastly, what we will provide is a unique learning experience by simplifying learning. The math behind the algorithms will become very easy for you to understand when you go through their Excel sheet demos. We also want to quicken your pace of learning by providing comprehensive, relevant course material. The entire machine learning track will be in Python programming with relevant industry case studies. And most importantly, something which you will not find in other courses, specifically online courses, is that we will provide full coursework support from pre-reads, software codes, course material, discussion forums, as well as assignment support. Also, our teaching format is online, interactive, and we will have a small batch size, not more than 15, so that we can ensure maximum interaction during the class. Our data science course is designed to provide you with an experience of an entire data science assignment lifecycle as it happens in the industry and as it is done by practicing data scientists. We will do this through our real-world industry case studies. In the 8-week data science course, we will cover close to 15 industry case studies. In each of these case studies, we will demonstrate the entire data science lifecycle by A. Defining the business problem or business objective. B. Understanding the existing data available and processing it for any missing data, outliers, etc. Conducting data analysis using statistical techniques to make sense of the data. Use the right algorithm to model for the business problem at hand and use the right diagnostic tests to assess model performance and fitment. And lastly, prototyping and clearly communicating the data science solution. Plus, this entire machine learning track will be explained and demonstrated using Python programming. We will walk you through this entire life cycle through our case study, but more on that later. Some of the industry case studies to be covered in the 8-week data science course is given here. Now, this is not an exhaustive list, but can give you a good flavor of the diversity of industries the case studies cover, from predicting customer credit default in financial sector to classifying products in e-commerce, to recommend next movie to watch, to even forecasting solar energy consumption over time. And here are the algorithms or machine learning techniques we will be covering in the course, from regression techniques to classification like decision trees, random forest, GBM, to neural network, time series, natural language processing, as well as unsupervised learning techniques. And apart from this, as mentioned earlier, there will be a full module on Python and statistical analysis. Additionally, would also like to answer questions that you may have on our course, like who can enroll for the course and what one can expect out of the course. Actually, the course is open for anyone to enroll. Anyone who has a genuine interest in the area of data science, its applications, and is willing to work hard. The course is designed to be fairly intuitive and simple and is focused on teaching the basics. The only requirement is a basic understanding of linear algebra and a familiarity with any programming language. What will I learn in the data science program? As discussed so far, our course program is a very hands-on case study based approach to solve real data science problems, focused on practical learning with programming and manipulating real-world data sets, wherein theoretical algorithms are simplified and explained intuitively using Excel sheet demos. Yet again, the focus is on learning from first principles and practical applications. What can I expect by the end of this program? At the end of it all, you should expect to have a solid grasp on a breadth of machine learning and statistical theory, be confident to build data science applications, and be prepared for data science questions in job interviews. That is how the course is designed, and that is how the course will be taught to prepare you for the real world of data science.